to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel. Today, Chef Dom's going to show you how to make a New England favorite, New England Clam Chowder. This was a Daddy Jack staple at the restaurant. Yep. Dominic has made hundreds of thousands of gallons of this stuff. Take a look at that.
Hold it up.
Oh my God, isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Oh man. All right.
All those clams in there and potatoes and bacon. All right.
All right.
Okay. Today we're gonna get started. We're gonna do some New England clam chowder today, which we did at Daddy Jack's, and I've made, I can't tell you how many truckloads, tanker loads of chowder and lobster bisque also. But anyway, we're gonna do New England clam chowder. Yeah. We got celery, potatoes, onions, garlic, heavy cream. Of course, we have the clams right back here with the clam juice in there, and
and the bacon. I gotta get
and the bacon. That's right. We gotta fry up some bacon, man.
All right.
What are you doing?
All right.
All right. We got some potatoes here that we're gonna use for our chowder, of course. It's not clam chowder if it doesn't have potatoes. So I'm sure that everyone knows how to peel a potato.
Yeah,
I hope.
Right?
Yeah. So, but my brother's gonna videotape me anyway, or whatever.
Hey, we gotta get the action in there.
All right, we're gonna put some bacon in our chowder. I didn't do this at the restaurant because a lot of people, they didn't eat pork,
right,
or whatever. But it gives it a really great flavor. And you're gonna use the bacon grease and a little butter to make roux to thicken up the chowder.
Very nice. You still remember how to make this? It's been a while.
Yeah. Keep it up. And you won't eat today.
We put it in a frying pan over there. Separate pan?
Yeah, it's a frying pan. Very good.
Well, I'm asking because you usually cook everything in one pot when you make soup.
Yeah, but keep it up.
Oh, smell that bacon.
Go get me a few eggs and a couple of nice tortillas. I'll make some tacos.
I want chowder. You remember when we went and did that Harley show? That
we brought that at that Harley Davidson dealership.
Yeah, we brought
with Jack.
Yeah,
yeah, man, that was I remember that.
Yeah, that cooler we had was held 152 quarts of clam chowder, and all the bikers they were kind of shy at first to come to a clam chowder booth, but then they all swarmed us.
Yeah, they came. A lot of them came back 2 or 3 times.
Yeah. Oh, that looks good.
The bacon's almost ready. Maybe another minute or 2.
Nice. Oh man, it smells great. All right, bacon's ready.
All right, we're gonna put our bacon bits and bacon grease in there too. Just
let it cool down.
Let it cool down a little bit. Doesn't matter, because now we're going to do the vegetables. All right, we're going to cut up our onions and celery and chop some fresh garlic here.
Because I can always cut it down. Christmas gift.
It's like fun. All right, we're going to throw our onions in the pot now. I'm going to put some celery in there. Also, too, some places that I've had chowder in, they put, carrots in there, very sliced and julienne sliced.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's good.
Yeah, this is definitely the classic clam chowder here. with the cream and the onion celery.
This is a very sharp knife, great knife.
Oh yeah.
I like that blue handle too.
Nice.
That's cool.
Perfect.
Just off the top. All right, we got some nice celery here. We're gonna leave some leaves on there for flavor for the soup. Nice small pieces. That's probably
About half the stock.
yeah. Also, too, it depends on how much chowder you're making. I used to make maybe a couple of 100 gallons a week at least.
I know, man.
At least.
All right.
All right, we're gonna put some unsalted butter in here also, along with a little bit of that bacon grease.
Oh yeah.
Just to make some nice flavor too. Can you see?
Yeah. Yeah. Bacon grease.
You want a straw?
Come on.
All right, we're gonna put a little salt and pepper in the veggies. You don't want to put too much because the clam juice is salty.
Yeah.
Also, too, you don't want to fry it. You don't want it to fry and be brown, just until they're translucent.
Nice.
And then we're gonna make our roux.
Beautiful.
Dice up our potatoes. You don't want them too thick because you know they take a while to cook. Need a bigger bowl.
All right.
All right.
All right.
We're gonna make our roux now, which is
What is roux?
it's flour and butter.
Ah.
It thickens foods up and soups and. And you want to be careful too, not to leave it on really high, because the flour will burn easy.
Tip of the day.
Huh?
Tip of the day.
That's what it should look like.
What do we got there?
We got clam juice and chopped clams. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Really good clams. These are the same clams that I use for the linguine and white clam sauce.
Oh yeah.
With fresh clams also, of course.
All right. So we let that boil.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna add some more. We may need some chicken stock,
Oh, okay.
but I'm gonna go ahead and throw the potatoes in there now.
Okay.
And the bacon we'll put in a little bit. Also, too, your potatoes, the starch will help it thicken it up also. Smell good, man. Even. All right, we got a little chicken stock here, a couple of cups. We're gonna put in there.
We let those potatoes cook now until they get soft, right?
Yes.
20 minutes or so.
Yeah, somewhere around there. You got to keep tasting the potatoes. I never timed it. All right. We're going to put the bacon in here now. And then we're going to add our cream.
So this has been cooking so far for about, what, 40 minutes?
Yeah, about 30, 35 minutes, something like that.
All right.
Well, you test the potatoes, you know.
When they're
It's at least a
soft
good
and ready
30
to go.
minutes.
Okay.
I'm gonna put a little bit of nutmeg in here. If I can see, trying to get this thing open. Okay. You don't want to put too much as it comes out. That's it. All right, now we're gonna add our heavy cream.
All right.
You know, and also too, like I said, it depends on how much you're making.
Right.
You know, this is the smallest portion of clam chowder I've ever made before, but you know, you can judge. Just watch the video.
Yeah. All right. So we just let this come to a boil.
Yeah, we'll let it come to a boil, and then we're gonna throw a little bit of green onions in there for color and taste it. Wow, that's good.
Smells really good. Smells fantastic.
Might need a little more salt. Just the cream.
Yeah. So salt and pepper to taste, basically.
Yeah. Put a little more pepper in there too.
Nice.
Like I said, let this come to a boil.
Still slamming the spoon.
Oh, damn, sorry. Hey, I've been doing it for 40 years. I can't help it. Habit.
One of our subscribers mentioned that when
That I
she's
keep-
watching the video and she gets blown away when Dominic slams the spoon against the pots.
You should have seen me in the kitchen. It's not all I used to beat up with the pots.
How you doing, Mama?
A few waiters I wanted to kill myself.
All right, we'll be back.
All right. Chowder is done. We're going to add a little green onions in there.
Oh,
Mix
nice.
that up.
Oh, it looks beautiful. Look at that. Oh, man.
You can tell Paul's hungry.
Yes, I am.
Oh, man. Look at that. Now that's chowder.
Oh, wait. Oh,
See the
that's
difference in my chowder? There's actually clams in here.
Yes.
You can see all the clams.
Smell right there.
All right, let's chow down to this clam chowder. You ready, Mother?
Yes.
All right.
She's been ready. Look how skinny she is. You're starving her over here. Oh, that's enough. I told you, don't give her too much food. I'm joking. It's a joke. Just clarify that.
Man. This smells amazing.
No more soup for you.
Oh, nothing to do with
Yeah, that's what I was talking about. The soup Nazi.
I love that episode.
that. Was the best thing.
There you go. You want some oyster crackers?
Oh,
You want some oyster crackers, Mom?
yeah. A little bit.
Is that good? There you go. You guys help yourself. Anyway, we're gonna dig into this clam chowder. We appreciate you guys. If you haven't subscribed yet,
You want
please
some?
subscribe. We have over 150 different types of recipes out there, mainly Italian. So anyway, just hit that subscribe button and it's free. Anyway, we'll see you guys later and have a great day.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bon appetit.
Yes.
Bon.